Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite homemade ginger snap cookies. These are so good and perfect for the holidays. So get your stuff and let's get baking. So we're going to start with a half a cup of butter. Two-thirds cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of lightly packed brown sugar. I'm using dark brown. Just going to put our whisk attachment on and go ahead and mix this until it's nice and creamy. Now we're going to add in some unsulted molasses, 2 tablespoons. And now we're going to add 1 egg yolk, and you can use vanilla extract. I'm using some vanilla bean paste because I'm extra. So we're just going to be a little touch of that in there, like so. And mix that again. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And next up, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, but you can measure with your heart. A half a teaspoon of salt. 1 full tablespoon of ginger. Trust the process. And then 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now you can use regular, already pre-ground nutmeg. I like the fresh ground. It just tastes a lot better. And here you're supposed to add in also a half a teaspoon of ground clove. I forgot to add that here. I added it later, so just make sure to add it here. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour that in there. Not to get it everywhere. And we're going to mix this on low speed until it's just mixed together. I almost forgot to add a little bit of cloves, so you want about a half a teaspoon of cloves as well. So you're going to just dust that in there. You can measure it, I'm not. Just gonna do about a half a teaspoon there. And now mix it up. You can mix this by hand, you can also use beaters, that's totally fine. Whatever you have, whatever you're comfortable with. And now that we're done, we're ready to bake our cookies. To get these nice and chewy, I like to roll mine into a log and then chill for a little while. Once it's chilled, we're gonna take it out and slice these into about a half an inch each. Just about like this. You want at least a 1/2 inch slice for each cookie because these are going to spread really nice. And don't worry about them being a perfect circle. You can always shape them later with your hand. Now we're going to make our sugar topping mixture. I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of sugar. You could do about 2. It doesn't really take that much. And then measure with your heart for the cinnamon. Next, we're adding some ground cloves. We're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon here. I love the taste of clove too, so if you want to go a little stronger, if you like clove, you can. And then ginger, about 1/2 teaspoon. Again, you can measure with your heart. This cookie is all about flavor. Just give that a nice mix with a fork or a whisk or whatever you have. We're ready to dip our cookies into the mixture. Now when you're baking your cookies, you want to make sure that you give them some room because these will spread. That's what makes them perfect. They're not cakey, they're crunchy and chewy at the same time. Now when you're baking these, you want to bake them at about 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want them nice and kind of crunchy on the outside, a little undercooked on the middle because once they sit and cool, they're going to get nice and chewy. And there we have it, the perfect Gingersnap cookie. The flavor is amazing, perfect combination of chewy and crispy. I hope you try it out. Until next time, happy baking. Bye for now.